Hey everyone, get ready to bake something truly special and incredibly easy today. We're making delightful lemon jumbles, the perfect treat for any occasion. These bright, chewy cookies are bursting with fresh lemon flavor. You'll need just a few pantry staples: flour, sugar, butter, and egg, baking powder, and of course fresh lemons for that amazing zest and juice. Gather these and you're halfway to cookie heaven. It's all about quality ingredients for the best taste. First, cream together your softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in the egg and that wonderful lemon zest. Gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Don't overmix, a tender dough is key. Roll your dough into small balls, then gently flatten them slightly. Arrange them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake until the edges are lightly golden and the centers are set. They'll be soft and fragrant. While your cookies cool, whisk together powdered sugar and fresh lemon juice for a simple tangy glaze. Drizzle this over your cool jumbles. This adds an extra layer of bright flavor and a beautiful finish. And there you have it, perfectly zesty, wonderfully chewy lemon jumbles ready to be devoured. They're fantastic with a cup of tea or as a sweet snack. Give this recipe a try. Your taste buds will thank you.